Walt Disney Educational Media Company presents Sing Long Vowels with Winnie the Pooh. And now, a very wide poo, the long I sound.
This is a story and song for the long I vowel. Listen for words that have the long I sound, as in wide.
On a lovely spring day, very near lunchtime, Winnie the Pooh went to visit his friend Rabbit. When Pooh arrived at Rabbit's house, he worried that he might not fit through the hole.
Hi, Rabbit. I would like to come inside, Rabbit. Though your hole's not very wide, Rabbit. I would like to come inside.
Hi, Pooh. You're most welcome here inside, Pooh. I don't think that you're too wide, Pooh. I'm sure that you can come inside.
Hi, Rabbit. If you really think I might, Rabbit. Oh, the hole is very tight, Rabbit. But I made it through all right.
As Pooh and Rabbit sang to each other, they decided, just for fun, to use as many words as they could think of with the long I sound, as in wide.
Hi, Pooh. I was about to have some pie, Pooh. Would you like to stay and dine, Pooh?
Oh, yes, some pie would be just fine. My Rabbit. Oh, the pie was very nice, Rabbit. Though I've had some extra twice, Rabbit. May I have another slice?
My Pooh, if you think it would be wise, Pooh, but since you think it tasted fine, Pooh, you can have the rest of mine.
Bye, Rabbit. I thank you for the pie, Rabbit. Now I have to go outside, Rabbit. Would you push me from behind?
My Pooh, I think that you're too wide, Pooh. You're bigger now in size, Pooh. I think you ate too many pies.
My Rabbit, I think that you are right, Rabbit. The hole is just too tight, Rabbit. Oh, I can't stay here all night. My front side is outside. My backside is inside. I can't slide, I'm too wide. Oh my, what am I to do? Oh my, I'm a very wide Pooh.
So poor Pooh was stuck. He was simply too wide to slide out of Rabbit's hole. Pooh's front side was outside of Rabbit's hole, and Pooh's backside was inside of Rabbit's hole.
This is a very difficult position you are in, Pooh. In fact, I think you are stuck.
Oh, good evening, Rabbit, and good evening, Pooh. May I ask why you are sitting, or lying, rather, in Rabbit's doorway? Oh, Owl, I'm afraid I'm stuck. My, oh, my. Well, we simply must get you out or in. Shall we try pushing or pulling?
Owl, you pull, and I'll push from the inside.
Are you ready, Pooh? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not working. You're simply not moving, Pooh. Let me see. Why don't we try digging this time?
How about using my garden tools? Then we could dig you out.
Oh, yes. Those will do fine. My front side is outside. My back side is inside. I can't slide, I'm too wide. Oh my, what am I to do? Oh my, I'm a very wide poo. Oh my.
So Rabbit and Owl worked most of the night to free their friend. Finally, after much digging, pulling, and pushing, Pooh was out. At that very next moment, much to everyone's surprise. Pooh's tummy started to growl. He was hungry again.
Oh my, I am rumbly in my tumbly. Thank you both for helping me. A special thanks to you too, Rabbit, for the wonderful pie. I was just wondering, will you be baking pies tomorrow? Perhaps I'll stop by for a visit. Good night. Home to my honey.